Hey everyone, this weekend's little excursion that Bradley and I are doing is not too far from home, but we're going to meet up with some friends and we're going to be camping at the KOA Campground. So come along and see what other adventures are in store for this weekend. You can have all kinds of fun right in your own backyard. Stay tuned.
So, good afternoon and welcome to Friday. Today we are going glamping. We're going to a KOA. Unfortunately, this is a last minute thing. We didn't think we were going to have time to go camping, so we did book a KOA last minute, and we're down here on the parkway by Gananoque, and we're going to go glamping. So it is raining. It's Friday afternoon. It's around 17 degrees. However, the weekend is supposed to change in our favor, and sunshine's supposed to pop out, a little bit of humidity, and we're going to have some friends with us camping. So stay with us. So to the left is the entrance to the KOA, right across from our marina. So we'll be turning right in here in a few, or left in here in a few seconds. And it's just down a small dirt road. It's a really nice little KOA. I've stayed here many times. Put a bit of stress on everybody, so camping allows you to get away from people, even though we're at a KOA where there's lots of kids. But we do have, like I said, some friends that will be joining us, and it'll be an enjoyable time. So I'll be pulling up here, and then I have to check in. They have a cool little bouncy castle here. Well, not a bouncy castle, but a bouncing ground pad. And look at that. It's already starting to get busy. Yay. So I'll be right back.
So good morning, everybody. It is Saturday morning and we are at the KOA, and look who is still sleeping. Yes, it is so comfortable up there. She could sleep all day. And we do have our little buddy here, Zoe. She's so comfortable too. So I'm at my usual position, making some coffee. So I'll take you for a little tour later on today and show you what the Ivy Lee KOA is like. See you later. So another morning ritual is not as fun. We feed Zoe. However, Zoe has a small issue. Zoe isn't just blind. Zoe has diabetes, so each morning we have to give her dosage of insulin. This keeps her alive. But she's worth it. Look at that beautiful face. I don't think we've ever introduced Zoe to our audience. Zoe is a 10-year-old Pug Roddy mix. She's a 10-year-old with an attitude. Just recently, in January, she went blind, and she also suffers with diabetes. She's not a friendly dog. She doesn't cuddle up to people very quickly. However, she does love traveling. I received Zoe when she was just over 1 year old. I won't say she's a rescue. However, she spent most of her first year in a cage. Since then, Zoe has been at my side. I took her to work. She'd travel with me. She'd go everywhere I go. So she is not used to being alone. She does have a number of issues. One being she does have separation anxiety. She's also not a friendly dog to cuddle up to. She doesn't make friends easy. She hates both humans and other animals. So we keep her with a tight leash. She doesn't go to the dog parks. We don't let her run loose. But I'll tell you, she is a great travel companion. And she is one faithful little lady. Here's TL trying to figure out how to use the DJI Osmo Gimbal 4.
It's very cool.
Interesting.
Look at, I've got you turning your GoPro on. Bradley.
You're videoing me and I'm videoing you.
Yep.
And
Tell us,
there
Bradley.
is Super Zoe.
Tell you what,
Tell us about the shirt you're wearing right now.
This shirt, it says, "What the fuck? Where's the fish?"
so it comes from a little hardware store in Sealy's Bay. They just opened up. A gentleman named Corey and Steve, they own it. And, you know, they're just they're at the ground level and they're just trying to make ends meet. And so, yeah, so he managed to get these made. And then there's one that Terry Lynn has. And that is, I think, Corey's little signature that he created. Anyways, so we bought them there. And they're very good quality shirts.
They are.
having buttered chicken again. It seems to be our go-to when we go camping. But it was supposed to be some chicken packs we were supposed to have, right, TL?
We were, yep.
But then we voted.
Yeah, we kind of have an addiction to buttered chicken.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
We voted for butter chicken.
But the chicken packs we'll do next time.
Yes.
We'll do the chicken packs because they look really good.
They look amazing.
Yeah.
So Zoe just got back from a nice walk. Now she's going to relax with a nice little fire. And later we will have some popcorn. Can't wait. So here's our little setup. Saturday evening, and we're just sitting back having a fire. Zoe's resting in the chair.
Bradley's making Jiffy Pop. Here, I'll hold it.
Here we go. It'll be hot. Oh, looks good.
Ooh. It's perfect. Perfectly popped Jiffy
Not bad,
Pop.
eh? That turned out good.
Turned out really good. How is it?
Good.
Yummy?
2 foot were, how does they went off the ground? What's that, the 2 second rule?
The 5 second roll. Yeah.
Yeah, that tastes good.
Ooh, look at that. Freshly popped Jiffy Pop.
Yay us.
Yay us.
So here we have our little shots here. Can you open them?
Yep. Yummy.
So one for you
B52s.
and one for me. All right. And you gotta make sure when you take these, you have to make sure you go half and half.
Yeah.
All right, you ready?
Yep. Cheers.
Cheers.
Yummy.
So awesome little cottages and tent camping. So they have an amazing little dog park and a playground. So they have a beautiful pool. And amazing RV camping. Everything from a class A to a C to a B. Let's not forget. Truck campers are welcome too. Welcome to Sunday. We're all packed up on the road again. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell that will notify you if there's any new videos coming out. Thank you again.